Can replacing my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system lower my insurance? Sometimes yes, because a newer system can reduce fire risk, water damage risk, and overall home risk in the eyes of some insurers. A lot depends on what kind of old system you are replacing and how your insurance company rates homes. If your old unit is very old, has faulty wiring, leaks, or has had repairs over and over, that can make a home seem riskier. A new system can be safer because it may have better shutoff controls, cleaner electrical parts, and more efficient operation. Some companies also like updated systems because they can lower the chance of frozen pipes, overheating, or damage from broken parts. One thing many people do not know is that insurance savings are often bigger when the replacement fixes a documented hazard, like a past leak or a bad furnace, than when it is just a normal upgrade. It also matters whether the work was done by a licensed contractor, because that can help prove the home is safer. If you want the best chance at savings, keep the invoices, model numbers, and permit records. Then call your insurer and ask if they offer a discount for updated mechanical systems. A common mistake is assuming any new unit automatically lowers the bill, because many policies do not give a standard discount just for replacement. A better move is to ask your insurer before and after the work so you know what change, if any, they will recognize. Another thing to watch is forgetting that a clean install matters almost as much as the equipment itself, since bad ductwork, bad wiring, or poor drainage can still cause claims. A good tip is to ask the contractor to document everything and to make sure the installation meets local code. People also miss that some insurance savings may come from related upgrades, like adding leak sensors, surge protection, or a monitored smoke alarm, not from the heating and cooling unit alone. If your system is part of a larger claim risk, fixing the whole risk picture usually helps more than swapping one box. So the best approach is to compare quotes, ask about discounts, and keep proof of every improvement. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.